Welcome to PDFRun. In this video, we'll guide you on how to fill out Form 1098-T. Form 1098-T is used to help figure education credits for qualified tuition and related expenses paid during the tax year. Specifically, this form provides information regarding students' tuition expenses at a college or university. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, requires this information be disclosed to students who pay qualified fees, such as tuition. To begin filling out this document, click on the Fill Online button. This will redirect you to PDFRun's online editor. Before starting, please take note that this form has to be filled out in 3 separate copies. Copy A, for the IRS, Copy B, for the student, and Copy C, for the filer. First, for the filer, enter the following details: the full legal name, the full address, including the street, city or town, state or province, and zip or foreign postal code, phone number, and the employer identification number, EIN. For the student, enter the following details: the taxpayer identification number, TIN, followed by the student's name, street address, city or town, state or province, and the zip or foreign postal code. On this box, enter the account number or service provider. The account number is required if you have multiple accounts for a recipient whom you are filing more than one Form 1098-T. Additionally, the IRS recommends that you designate an account number for any and all Forms 1098-T that you file. For Box 1, write down the payments received for qualified tuition and related expenses. For Boxes 2 and 3, please leave them blank as they are reserved for future use. For Box 4, write down any adjustments made to the amount in Box 1, for any prior year, if applicable. If it turns out that a student's expenses in the previous year were lower than initially reported, then that could mean the student is responsible for additional tax that year. For Box 5, write down the monetary value of all scholarships or grants that the student currently has. For Box 6, include any adjustments made to the value of each scholarship or grant for a prior year. For Box 7, mark it with a check on whether the amount in Box 1 also includes amounts for an academic period starting from January until March of the following year. For Box 8, mark it with a check if you are carrying at least half the normal workload of your course or study in a particular institution. For Box 9, mark with a check if you are currently enrolled in any recognized graduate-level course of study. And lastly, for Box 10, write down the insurance contract reimbursement or refund. If you are an insurer, you must indicate the total amount of reimbursements or refunds that you made to the student during the year. Review and double-check if all entered information is correct and accurate. Once finished, click on the Done button to save, download, and print Form 1098-T. To learn more about this form or find other fillable templates, visit www.pdfrun.com.